And so guys, I am about to film my videos. One of the tag videos from my friend a week ago. It's a little bit crazy right here. So I got it all ready. And guess what happened? So my studio is usually like looking right outside the back porch. And look guys, I can hear them thunder. I didn't get informed. The weatherman never informed me that it's going to rain like crazy. Like guys, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I am trying to film again. Maybe, so I'm walking backward because I don't want you guys to see all my mess right here, because you know, studio can be a mess. So what I'm gonna do, is I am going to refilm it maybe next week if I am not too busy. The grill is outside guys. And just so the tag video that I am supposed to be doing today is the best Louis Vuitton handbag ever made. So I did have actually 3 right here, and I wanted you guys to stay tuned with that. And my friend Snow7707, I can't get her name right. Okay, so my friend, see, there's a power interruption guys that's happened. Like my lights it's coming on and off, so I can't film today guys. And guys, I was here earlier. You see what happened to the chair? It fell over because of the strong wind. It gets super strong earlier when you turn around and everything just look. It gets all wet. My back porch chair. Oh my goodness. So let me see. I can save them from being wet and me being soaked up. Guys, it's raining. Look at the water. Better go outside, inside. Yep, can't film today with all these noises and power interruption. So my friend, her channel is Snow7707. That's her searchable name. I am going to link her channel down below in the description box. She tagged me a week ago and I was just got caught up with everything. So I was planning to do it today, but this is not happening with all the power interruption. And hi Coco. And yes, the rain, the thunder, all that kind of stuff's going on right now. So I'm gonna try to film it again. And I want everyone to stay tuned. Right, Madam Coco? Yeah. Just stay tuned. And that tag video will be on my YouTube channel soon. Bye for now, guys.